In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantower Hotkeys. Hotkeys are the fastest way to streamline your workflow, whether you're switching symbols, placing orders, or drawing on charts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set them up, how to assign the right combinations, and a few best practices to keep your shortcuts reliable and safe. Start by opening the platform's settings. Click the gear icon on the main toolbar to open General Settings. This is the control center for your preferences, and it's where the hotkey tools live. Once the settings window is up, head to the Hotkeys tab. This tab organizes everything by purpose, so your shortcuts stay easy to find and maintain. You'll notice several categories. General hotkeys are for global actions, like opening panels or changing symbols across the workspace. Chart hotkeys focus on chart-specific tasks, such as timeframes, zoom, or adding indicators. Trading hotkeys cover order actions, from placing and modifying orders to flattening positions. Drawing hotkeys handle tools like trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and other annotations. It helps to think about which area you want to speed up before creating shortcuts, so they land in the right place. When you're ready to create one, click Add, shown as a plus sign. This opens the assignment dialog. Choose the action you want to trigger with a shortcut. Common picks include changing the active symbol, placing a selected order type, or adding a favorite indicator. The description usually makes it clear what each action does, so take a moment to pick the one that fits your routine. Next, press the key combination you want to assign. A good rule is to include a modifier like Ctrl, Alt, or Shift to avoid accidental presses. For trading actions in particular, a combination like Ctrl plus Shift plus a letter or number adds a layer of safety. Try to avoid operating system shortcuts like Alt plus Tab or Command plus Q, and be mindful that the numeric keypad can behave differently from the number row on some setups. If a combination is already in use, the platform will typically warn you so you can choose an alternative. Finally, click Save to confirm. Saving writes your shortcut into the profile so it persists the next time you launch the platform. From here, your hotkey is active in the category you assigned it to, ready to accelerate your daily tasks. That's all there is to it. Open General Settings, go to the Hotkeys tab, select the right category, click Add, choose your action, press your key combo, and save. Keep your shortcuts consistent, reserve safer combinations for trading, and enjoy a smoother, faster workflow.